Oh, he can move. 5.6 SOL. Whoa. We not okay. I got a controller. Oh my god. So you can see the gun on him is kind of fat. So I gotta tell him to change it to third person view. Whoa. It's just my camera guys with the mouse. Whoa. I'm gonna have Soul add like a camera tracker. I love this, man. This is nice, man. Let me see if the water hits me when I'm in it. So when I turn, it's going to like the outside of the hospital. I mean the insides, you know. So this is pretty cool. Let's see. Oh yeah. He got grenades, baby. Oh my god. Did I get stuck? Can we reset? Oh my god. I don't know what just happened there. Okay. See what's cracking, man. So it says I'm using the Unreal Game building skill first for the UE 5.8 project lighting and asset workflow. The Unreal World builder skill to control and verify the editor and the image generation skill for 2 hospital references. I'll first inspect the current Unreal MCP state and create a clean project and establish the dust exterior, prepare the references and build plan, and finally bring in compatible fab assets that are available without making paid purchases. Ray tracing will stay off. I'll use Lumen with memory conscious settings. I like 5.6 SOL already, baby. It's looking amazing. Ah! The Unreal skills require a readiness check before any editor changes, and a reference call for real world circulation and scale before dressing. I'm checking a live project and a local fab inventory now. And then I'll create the project without disturbing any unrelated existing project files. I like that. I like that. The active horror editor session has no dirty maps or content, so switching projects would not discard unsaved work. I'm creating separate project name Mercy Dust Hospital. Its startup map will be Unreal's built-in default cloud, sky, sun, and level. And its render config will explicitly disable. So what happened here? Oh, okay, I see what happened. It's gonna pop back up. You must have restarted Unreal. Let me see. It's doing something. Let me get back to it, sorry. And its render config will explicitly disable hardware ray tracing while keeping software Lumen, virtual shadow, something. Okay, bam. Are we back up? Are we back up? So I just seen Unreal Engine pop up. Why isn't it showing on OBS? I don't know. It should be showing Unreal Engine. Why did it? There we go. All right, here we go. See, let me go back down. Let's go over here. Put myself over here out the way. Okay. So, oops. Let's go back to Claude. Okay, so what is it doing? Okay, new editor is now running. Mercy Dust Hospital. We look up top, it says Mercy Dust Exterior. Okay, on the save starter map. Okay, we have a level. So let me press play, guys. Oops. Let me see what's going on. Where's my, let me get my keyboard. Okay, what's going on? Press play again. Okay. I can move around. Great. That's what we want to see. We got the sun, the sky, we can move around. And we got a level piece of land. I like it. Okay. So, I see what it gave us so far. So, now it's going to generate project reference. One for the exterior, parking and ambulance composition, and one realistic hospital lobby interior composition. I like that. Let's see what it's going to give us. And we use in 5.6 SOL. So let's see how much usage we use so far, guys, just to see what's, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm confused because it still say 100%. Is it free for now or something? Okay, so we got the first image, guys. We got the first image. I like this hospital. It's big. This is what I wanted. A huge hospital. The hospital looks nice, man. Can you guys see that when I pull it up? You can't see it when I blow it up, but I think you should be able to see it on the screen. I like how they did this, right? It looks like a real hospital when you're coming in. You got the ambulance, you got the emergency room, and then you got all these floors. This is type of hospital. Okay, so we got a second image, guys. Let's check it out. This must be the reception and the lobby. I got the pipes up top, what I asked for, with water dripping out the pipes. Okay, reference looks good, but now we need to be able to build. So what I should have said was, well, we got the kits. We got the kits. I wonder if it needs to go to Blender. I don't know. I'm gonna see what it's gonna do. I'm not gonna stop it. So let's see what it says now. Fab is authenticated locally, but its catch does not currently contain a hospital pack. On the genuine free modular hospital interior on Fab that fits the project, several stronger AAA hospital packs are paid, so I would not purchase those. I'm connecting to the existing Chrome Fab session to add only the free pack. The already downloaded G17 prompt can be imported directly into the project. Okay, well, so I like the way how it's, first of all, it's breaking down exactly what I said. It's to the T. There, and it said, listen, I'm going to make sure I don't touch no existing projects. That's what I want to hear. Because as devs, if you've been using AI for a couple years as I have, AI, they like to go into other projects and other folders in your computer. You're like, what the hell's going on? How did you get over here? Who told you to come in here? Get out. So right now, we got the two pictures. Okay, it's importing semi-auto pistol. Okay, a Glock. Okay, it's got Fab. It's pulling Fab up. I don't think you guys can see it, but let me see. Hospital environments, chairs. Okay, they got some hospital props. They got some stuff, man. I don't know what my AI is gonna get, but while my AI is shopping, I'm gonna shop too. I'm gonna do some quick shopping. I'm just looking through here real quick just to see what they got, because when building a horror game, it's like you have to, it's all about the props, right? It's all about the tables and the, this or that. They got some decent stuff on Fab, man, but the real nice stuff is like if you had that money, you pay for those packs, man. That's what's gonna get you to, you know what I'm saying? They got 3D models. They got so much stuff on the marketplace. It's crazy. They got so much stuff, like it's crazy. So I'm just going through real quick, guys. Even though my AI can do it itself. And another thing I should have did, make sure, guys, whatever version you're using, I'm using 5.8, but always make sure, see if you can put it, I don't know, can you put it on like 5.8 only? Because sometimes, you be trying to add stuff and it doesn't go with, that's what I did. I got a lot of stuff and it didn't go with my 5.8. And I was like, that'd have been nice. So go back to the editor, see what's going. Oh, I didn't even see all that. I just popped in. All type of stuff is happening. I didn't even know he was. My man's over here building. What y'all seeing? Oh, okay. Looks like the front of the hospital. I see seams. I see all type of terrible stuff. But we're not gonna judge Soul. We want to know what it can do. It's on Soul High. So we want to know what it can do on high. That's pretty good. I don't think we should go to Ultra and burn all our credits out just for one video. I'm gonna do it on high. Did it? Let me check the usage, because earlier it seems like I used some of my usage and then, okay, here we go. Out of all that, I only use 1% for weekly usage. Are you guys seeing this on my screen? For my 5-hour usage limit, I'm at 95%. I use 5%, but my weekly, I only use 1%, guys, and I'm on 5.6 SOL high. Fable, it probably would have been at 92%. Not only did it created me 2 images, it's been coding, and it went into Unreal Engine and already built some stuff already. Wow, that's pretty good for 1%. I can't complain. I may have to bump it up to Ultra to see what it really can do, guys. I might have to. I think I'm gonna bump it up, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna bump it up. I'm going to Ultra. Yeah, I'm going to Ultra, but I'm gonna watch my. Okay, what's going on? I'm confused. This is gonna mess me up. I went back to my usage and now it's saying 100% out of 100% again. Why is it doing that? Oh no. Is my stuff glitched? I mess around using usage. I think I got 100%. Fuck around, got 5% and be salty. What is going on? Did y'all just see that? Do I get unlimited use of 5.6 SOL? What is going on? Is 5.6 SOL unlimited? Doesn't have it on this, so I can't. It can't tell me on my phone. Oh, let's. What is it doing? I see it just put a street light. I see a bench in front of the hospital. I see trees in the background. Whoa, more trees just popped up. I'm gonna move around, guys, and see what he's doing. Oh, let him build. Let him build. Wait. Whoa, it's on Ultra. Let's check the usage. I don't want to do more than 10%. Okay, it's back at 99%. Okay, I think it had glitched for a minute. See, look, it just did it again. Now it's at 94. It's at 99%. So I'm gonna leave it like that, guys. I'm gonna leave it on ultra. What was I thinking? 5.6 high. What was I thinking? Ultra only, man. Ultra. Two changes have been. We're gonna hit import. Import twice. Okay. So let's see what it's saying, guys. It's building over here. I'm gonna see if I can. Let's see if I can just walk out a little bit and see what's going on. All right, let me turn around. Wait, hold on. Trees, look at how can I rise up? Oh, that's to go down. Okay, let's. Oh, something happened. Uh-oh. Damn, I hope I didn't press nothing by moving it while I was doing that. Whoa, it took a screenshot that fast. Is it taking a screenshot? What is this? What is this? Do you see this, what I'm seeing? What is this? Yo, let me get my phone. Does it have visual now? Are you serious? First viewport captured worked. The exterior camera frame is not acceptable. It's showing mostly a fat flawed graph. Wait a minute. Let's put that photo back into chat and X. Rolled already? So I'm using 5.6 SOL Ultra. Something was wrong with the camera and immediately it took a screenshot. Can 5.6 SOL now? Can it see like Google can? Can it see what's going on? Or does it just automatically take screenshots on its own? I was thinking about in the box, is something at the top with the arrow pointing down. What is that? I'm trying to see what that is in the screenshot, if you can see what I'm saying. Oh, let's see. It's building, man. It's building. I want to know what it can do, guys. I'm excited. Oh, let me check my usage. What is going on? I'm still at 99%. This can't be right, man. All my usage is going to be gone, guys. This cannot be right. This can't be right. I'm still waiting on this answer. We got a memory pressure warning. I'm going to let it do its thing and build, man. I'm not going to try to move the camera around too much. I don't want to get in its way. But we're going to see what it's going to do. And then, I can't. Oh, see, I tried to move it. He's doing something. Or she's doing something. Let me just let it rock and roll, man. Compiling shaders. What do you guys think about 5.6 SOL so far? So, of course, I used Fable 5 already. I got Fable 5. And Fable 5 is good. But is it the same Fable 5 before they took it from us? That's what we really don't know. But I don't know. I think I'm not gonna judge or compare until I use both of them together with the same prompts and then compare it that way, with a couple projects I can do. So I'll probably do this in 5.6 SOL, and then the next video I'll do it in Fable 5 and I'll compare it. I'll compare the results together in Unreal and see who comes out better. Because this is the best place to see if this is the best place, guys. This is the best place. I want to press play so bad, man. It's building pretty fast. So one thing I noticed about 5.5 when I went into Unreal Engine, it can do most of the same things, but it wasn't building like this. This is, okay, to correct the camera was inside the canopy. Bam, there's another camera view. So I see street lights. I see bushes. So it's making like some makeshift cars, which it shouldn't do that because 5.5 put actual real cars in the parking lot. So I'm gonna let it know to look at my other project, see where it got those cars from, and bring it back to this project because we got real cars in the other hospital I was doing. So let me get the real cars because we got them. There's no reason to do nothing procedural. That's what I should have said. Don't do nothing procedural. But this is, I think, the way it's just built this. Let me check my usage. I'm so nervous, man. Let me, it's still at 99 weekly. Dude, I'm finna build everything. I'm finna go make stuff better. Oh my God. This is crazy. Refining light and exposure. So guess what, guys? I'm gonna build this hospital. I'm gonna make it big. I don't know what the size is right now. So it looks like it's one level. You can see okay, I'm gonna get some lights in the parking lot, some parking lot lights. I'm gonna remove those street lights. Create a road on the side. Oh my God, what does this say? What is it saying? Our systems are thinking a bit more about a request before responding. Hang tight or we try with the faster model for a quick response. But it may be less capable of handling something. No. I don't want to retry with a faster model. I want to do it with SOL. It tried to switch me out. Why did it try to switch me out? Oh, that's crazy. So it look like that's a car that's tilted on the side next to that street light. So I see it has a light over here, like a parking lot light. I don't know if that's a part of that street light though. But what I want to see is I want to compare it to like Fable 5 when I was building the hospital. I want to know, is it going to have seams everywhere? Is it going to be solid? Are you going to be able to walk through? Is it going to be props inside? What's going to be in there? Is it going to look like a hospital? Is it going to something you can build a game off of? If it's good enough where you can go in and say, hey, I can really build a game with this model, I'm going to be excited, guys. Because remember, we're looking for something cost efficient, right? Still at 99% weekly, 91% for the 5-hour. Dude, this is crazy. I just hope my stuff ain't glitching out. Okay, the exterior now reads as blue hour. The parking lot aisle is lit by 7 warm practicals in the hospital entrance is centered between the landscape edges. It's still a first pass site blackout. The cars are deliberate lightweight placeholders. Okay, deliberate placeholders. Don't worry. Okay. Make sure we build a nice road on the side of the hospital. Okay, so the screen is all white. I see it's in record mode or screen record mode. It's taking some type of picture or something. The lobby camera is embedded in the north reception wall, so the white viewport is geometry, not an exposure failure. I'm moving inside the room using the actual wall desk bounds and will recheck from a clear path towards reception. in emergency corridor. I wonder if it's going to make everything collision solid. Is it going to enforce collision? Okay. Yeah, that's super whited out. Bring some color in. Come on. Bring it in. Maybe I should say tan. I said white. I should do tan walls. White walls with low light makes it a little bit more scarier. I want to do dark walls. The lobby framing is clear and confirms the layout, but the white hospital materials are clipping badly under the aluminum point lights. I'm reducing the interior practicals to aluminum friendly 3 to say that's going to reduce it a lot. From 4,000 to 700, you should be able to see the room by then. If not, we're going tan. Still, yeah. Almost there. I think what I'm going to do is probably, can you guys see it? Can't see it all the way, so I can't really, I don't want to judge it yet. Okay, guys. So it looked like it fixed the the lighting. What can you guys see right now? So I can see some puddles on the floor. I can see some props. Can't speak right or something. What do you guys think so far? What are you guys thinking? Looks pretty good, but where is this though? Where is this at? Is this another floor? Is this the reception or what? All right, so I need to check. Let me check my usage, man. 98%. This blows my fucking mind. This blows my mind. They must have developed something for usage. Usage is it's oh my God. It's unbelievable. You guys are seeing what I'm seeing. It's building a lot of stuff. Plus it's using the MCP. It's using a bridge to do everything. Like this is wonderful. You're just sitting back and let it do its thing. Are you sure you want to play an editor? The following blueprint assets have some unresolved complex error. Are you sure you want to play in the editor? What? Start Unreal playtest. I see that. Can it play the game too? Well, it can because it did it in 5.5 codecs. It was able to drive the cars for me and stuff like that. So, yeah, it can do it. But look, guys, it's doing everything. It's building a hospital, a horror game for me. Now, one thing I must point out, guys. Look at the seams. Look at the corners. Look at the geometry. It's tight geometry. It's taking a screenshot, a video screenshot again. Maybe I'm gonna click play and editor for it. I'm gonna do that for it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I'm in. Let me get my keyboard. I'm in. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, the stairs is. Wait, this is my old project, ain't it? Wait, hold. Wait. Wait a minute. See blood all on the floor. Wait a minute. It didn't copy my. Did it copy my other project? It had to. What the hell? The water looks good. Yeah, I'm a little confused what's going on. This looks like my old project. My old hospital. I built the other hospital just like this. Wait a minute, what is it doing? Hmm? Oh, this is crazy. Okay. I'm seeing what's going on. This is crazy. So this exact hospital, the way I built it, I built this exact hospital, the same style with the same kit with Claude, and Claude built it the same fucking way. This is crazy. It built it the same way. Yep, it built it the same way, man. Wow. Mm. And it's adding stuff to the skill. It's adding stuff to the skill. Wow. Look at this. I'm recording both in Unreal skill so future builds avoid the same camera lighting errors. So the same skill I already have is added to the skill to make the skill better. Thank you. But this is crazy. Why did it build the same? I wonder if the modular kit makes it be built this way. So I'm thinking this is so crazy. It still needs to be connected to the front of the hospital. Let me check the usage, guys. It's at 98%, and my 5-hour usage is at 85%. Because this turn changed the reusable Unreal skill, not just the game, I'm also applying the skill authoring validation rules now. This is a maintenance check on the updated guidance files. It does not alter the project scene. Okay. What do you guys think so far, man? It's pretty good, man. It's damn good. I might have it put, what's that thing on the screen? Like a circle compass. I might have it put a compass on there. Open up some walls connected to the front hospital. It has small little props around. You land on the floor, you can see. But soon I'm gonna have hospital beds, blood everywhere. I'm gonna put bodies on the floor, but I'm gonna blur them out, blur the bodies out with like blood on the floor. So just make it look more horroristic. I don't know if that's a word, but is that a word? I don't know. Um, I'm thinking about doing flickering lights, but so that might not be good for some people. So I may have it where it's like a closed off hallway at a section on the light flickers, but it's nothing down that way. Then you continue forward, something like that. Final audit is clean at the asset level. Also trace the pi overlay to timing rather than a missing file. All three blueprints points to first person character. That asset now exists after the body cam kit migration. I'm refreshing and recompiling those nodes once. If Unreal Engine accepts them, the first person smoke test can finish without the red overlay. It's talking about putting me in first person with the body cam. Okay, let's do it. It's doing something. I wonder, did it look in my other play in the editor? Does it want me to play in the editor? Let's play in the editor. Okay, nothing new. I don't see no guns or something. A cast nods are corrupted to keep this working map playable without destroying the original template. I'm replacing only their 5 placed instances with labeled. Oh, it's doing a new project. Saying something was corrupted or something. The untouched originals remain in existing hard. I see this 1-level hospital. I should have told them to stack it up like it is in this reference picture, guys. A 3-story, and it has that little pillar up the front with the lights on it. Unreal Engine has crashed. So I guess we just wait till it pops back up. Did it pop back up on yours? There we go. What's going on? Is it in play mode? What's in play mode? Why is all that dark? What happened? And went haywire. It went haywire. Did I do something? Oh, I think it said they had to rebuild it, I guess. Let me see. Something, it was something corrupted, or I don't know, guys, but let's see what it's saying. The remaining smoke test issue is spatial. The player starts behind inside a reception height mesh, leaving the lower half of the view occluded. We know what occluded means. This shit right here. Bullshit. Occluded. This is occluded. I'm moving players start to a clear hallway position and running one final clean spawn test. Okay, guys. Looks like Soul has had his first hiccup. It built something real nice, and then it just something happened. It's like it's happening now. Took a screenshot, so I don't gotta tell it anything. It see what's going on, and it's gonna go in there and fix it. Let's go to usage and see 97 weekly. Yeah, I'm cool with this. You can literally be on this all day on Ultra. Yeah, I'm definitely cool with this. So what happens when I go down to Terra or Luna? Yeah, I got to try out Terra and Luna. I wonder how good that usage is. Let's see what it's saying. Ooh, I like this lighting better. This lighting is good. Good lighting. What's up with the bottom half though? I know you see that. Stop body cam test. So it's gonna load the body cam. I'm gonna have to tell it about this. I'm gonna tell it. I know you probably already noticed this, but the bottom half of the screen is all dark. So make sure you fix it. I see you fixed the lighting up top, but the bottom half looks like it was having a problem. So hold on. Before I send that, something just happened. Okay, it popped back up. It says 75 load errors. You can see it right here in the message log. There, see? Before I sent it, let me erase that. Tell me that's not crazy. Tell me that's not crazy. Oh, you can't even see it. Let me change it back. It fixed it without me even having to say, before I can type and say fix the bottom half. Now soon I'm gonna have those puddles. I have some lag here. I'm gonna have it make sure it tests the frames. Make sure we run it at 60 frames. I want 60 frames, man. But I'm gonna let it continue. So the final pi test is clean. Unreal's default pawn spawns at the corrected hallway start with no compile, overlay, or camera obstruction. Corridor, ceiling pipes, damaged panels, water leaks, puddles, white wall exposure, and collision all running from the player view. I'm stopping pod and leaving the editor on the save build map. Okay. What do you guys think about the lighting? I think the lighting's okay. We may have to darken it just a little bit. Maybe when it's time to when we got, but you gotta understand when you put on a body cam, it gives it a certain type of view anyway, right? So we're gonna be doing body cam, but also I want to test. Okay, so it says done. He gave it a check mark and took a picture. You guys see this shit? Okay, so look, for Fab, I found a free modular 3 hospital environment plus a larger horror hospital and horror props. No paid purchase made. Free listings open, but add to library. Remains unfinished because of authenticated Chrome. Okay, I don't know. Authenticated Chrome extension was not connected. We got an extension on Chrome. So this is what I want to say. I want to go to Fab, man. This is what I'm going to tell it. Open up Unreal Launcher. Now you say you downloaded some stuff that we couldn't. The free listing is open, but add to library remains unfinished because authenticated Chrome. Pull it up, and I'll add it to the library. So whatever we need, that way you can add to the game. Also, this hospital. How did you build this hospital? Was it any reference? Did you have any reference how to build this? And next, this must connect to the front of the hospital, the entrance that you built. I seen you build an exterior with trees, and I seen placeholders for the cars. I want you to go to another project called Horror. You're gonna see real cars in the parking lot. Get those cars and put them in our project. See where they got their cars from, because I think it came from Fab. And then you use the same real cars. And make sure I seen one car leaning up against the light pole. And remember, another thing is I seen you had street lights, but street lights don't belong in a parking lot. Now they got lights that go in a parking lot, but those don't belong. So remove those street lights. Make sure the cars go between the parking lines. And like I said, this hallway that you built needs to be connected to the reception office. This could be the ER or something, right? So it needs to be connected so we can leave out of here and go other places. That's the object of the game. We're building the game. So we must have connecting doors that takes us to other places, right? So let's do that. Let's get those other packs in, add the props, whatever we need to make. And I see when you make the hospital is one level. In this reference picture, it looks like it's 3 levels and it has like a pillar going on the left side of it, going straight up with all glass windows. I like the glass windows, so we can recreate that glass window effect on the front of the hospital. It gives it more depth. It gives it more, you know what I mean? And then we would like to be able to see inside of the hospital from the exterior. That's what it's going to make it, seem more real. So yeah, let's do that. Connect those two together so that way I can move around. And then also, I don't know if you're doing the body cam. If we're not doing a body cam, we need to do a person that we can do third person and first person so we can see how the gun game work. Or you can go back body cam, but I want to see both though. In both tests, I want to see, because I like the body cam feature. And then also we need to bring in some other characters, some enemy AIs. We're gonna have to do some blueprints or something, some graph nodes to make them do what we want them to do, right? Patrolling, we see them, they see us, we shoot, health bar, we need inventory, a menu, all the good stuff. We need a compass to see where we're going. Yeah, we're gonna make this into a real game. So we're also gonna need a start menu. So this hospital picture, the first reference picture or the second one, that could be that could be the start menu, and it can have the name of Mercy Hospital on the front of it with start, continue, options. Yeah, let's continue building. So guys, I just gave it to it, didn't it? Man, listen, this is what you call prompting. Your brain gonna work. Your brain gonna work. And I can probably tell on this next pass, it's gonna be nice. Let's check the usage. 96%. Okay, so I use about 4% weekly. And it literally just built me a parking lot, cars, the exterior, the interior, pipes, lights, floors. It put everything, the geometry, it did its thing, man. I can say that, guys. I can say that, and not even doing this that long, like, you guys are watching with me, so it's like, I know you see what I'm seeing. We seeing the exact same stuff. And this is dope. So I'm in my library. And none of this stuff that we added is compatible to 5.8. High poly tree model. Not compatible. All this stuff we added, none of it is compatible. I see some stuff that says update, install the engine. Can we use 5.8 with it though? That's what I want to know. I don't know, guys. It took me to Fab. I don't know. It's in Fab right now, guys. It's in the Epic's game launcher. is looking at some stuff. I want to know if it knows that most of this stuff is just not compatible. It's crazy. A lot of stuff is compatible with 5.7. Maybe I should have did 5.7, but I wanted to use 5.8 because they announced the MCP, that bridge where you can connect everything together. Okay, Epic Games Launcher and Fab are open now with the search for the free modular 3D hospital environmental pack, ready for you to add to the library. How you do that? I'm tracing the real parking cars in the original horror. Okay. Modular 3D hospital. Okay, let me just copy that because it got Fab open for me. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm just gonna see. They won't even let me post. Okay. Let's just type it in. Okay, let's go to filters, price. Let's go to free. Got some stuff. How do you change it to 5.8 only? Can we even do that? I thought we could. Man. I don't see nothing that says 5.8 publishers. No. I want to know where else can we go? Something downloaded. He's downloading something. He or she is downloading something. They got some nice packs, man. They got some real nice packs. Like, yeah, they got some real nice packs. So I need to see what. Okay, let's see what. Let's see what the AI is doing real quick. I found the exact source. The cars are Epic City sample vehicles. 2 real models, placed 5 times. They complete dependency settings at one setting asset totaling about. Okay. Good. Also recovered the original 5 transforms. None of those such transforms are linear against the pole. So every time. Okay. Great. Planning ER door placement. Let me stop. Let me stop. Okay, this is what I want you to do. I tried to find a modular. Don't worry about it. Use whatever we got. What I noticed is a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff in my library where we can't use it because it's not compatible with 5.8. So I just noticed that. Use whatever we got. But I definitely want to get a character running around this floor level with a handgun. Any handguns we downloaded. So let's get a metahuman or something. Connect the head on the body. Put some clothes on them. Let's run around and see if we can aim and shoot. Stuff like that. So I'm gonna let you continue with everything. Let's continue building. So let's not keep looking for packs or nothing like that. So guys, what do you think about 5.6 SOL so far? I think it's dope. To build like this is dope. They're exceeding. At some point, you cannot hold nothing back from the world because when you do, countries like China are going to surpass you. You see what they just did with 5.2 GLM. You can imagine what their next model is going to look like because they've already had time to train. They're training on America's model. America is trying to train probably on their model. Who knows? But don't keep it from the people because you're going to find a way to get hold of something, some type of technology. The world is changing. So it says it's going to give me the body cam. After that, I still want a playable character. I check my usage. We don't want to go over. I want to go under 90%. Right now, we still at 96%. We use about 72%, about 5-hour usage. This is crazy, dude. I don't know what's going on. I just pray it's not glitched into the next day. Run you through like a train. All your usage gone. Sorry, guys. Got a snack while this is happening. It just went up from 94% to 95%. Why? Why are they giving me free usage? Did you guys see that? Okay. So it says the local body cam character is usable and lighter than a metahuman. It already has first-person arms, 120-degree body cam camera, aim, shoot, crouch, timelines, muzzle, light, flashlight, reload, aim animations, lock audio, and enhance input assets. Its missing piece is simply that the game mode has no default pawn assigned, and the weapon component has no mesh. I'm wiring the existing character as the default pawn and assigning the best local handgun mesh. Then I'll test the controls. Well, okay. So once they put the body cam, then I know it'll go into, once we see the body cam, then next it should be opening up some type of walls and connecting the reception, the front door, the hospital, back to the ER, because this can be the ER. And we have to do a section, because this back section right here could be where the nurse is stationed. If we go in here and turn, oops, we turn around, oh, whoop. There we go. I thought I messed up something. Okay. So if we come out this room and turn around, we have this right here, right? It's just like 2 blocks, but what if we take this and make it a longer block with access to come back here? This is the nurse's stations, computers, chairs, and then this could be like the medicine room where you get medicine. We're gonna fix the height on the ceiling, launch it up so we can see more of the stairs when we're going up. Let's see. Man, I like the water. I know we're building right now, but later we're gonna add real puddles of water on the floor. So confirm the controls are already altered. We're ready to go already. There we go. See if we can spell my name. Reload. Okay. Stairs. Animations on the muzzle needs to be changed, but this should probably be our, we can get back to the front of the reception. So that works. I took a screenshot right when I came out of it, but it works. So now we're gonna wait to see if we can connect it to the front. If we can connect it to the front, I'm ready to see how everything looks. Okay, so now it's controlling my computer. You can see the mouse. I can see right here, it says inspect the playtest, fire handgun, verify handgun shot. So let's see if it does anything. Okay, so it shot it one time. Now I'm gonna tell the AI to be more aggressive when it's playtesting. Move around, run around, shoot, be more active, you know. But this is the free kit I got from the Fab Marketplace. The arms with the pistol, it's free. It's a free price. But I noticed it doesn't have the body cam on. I think I had took that off. It's testing the reload, the movements, testing everything. I messed with it when it first came on. That's the first test. Okay, guys. I'll be back. We're gonna do a little fast forward. Oh, it's spinning a little fast now. Frames are going. Pretty smooth. But yeah, guys, we'll come back. I'll come back a little bit later when it's a little bit further down the road. We'll fast forward. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Let's see what we can do. Press play. The motherfucker died. Wait a minute. What? Wait. Oh my God. I think my battery's running out. No. On my mouse. He's back. Oh my, let's see if I can. I might need new batteries for my mouse. Let's go. Oh yes. Whoa.